I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm.
Okay guys, today I am going to still show you how to easily trade and make money from this platform, this new platform that I shared the last time, which I believe most of you that are watching right now might probably be a registered member, or if you have not, the name of the website is alimax.com. All right, so I'm going to leave the link in the description of this particular video that you are watching right now. So this platform is a new brown platform. I did a video last time and showed you guys how to deposit, how to make money from this website, and especially for most of you that are using a reasonable amount of money to do your arbitrage trading, this is the best crypto arbitrage platform that I've seen. It's very fast. The withdrawal is very fast. I was shocked at the speed of the withdrawal, guys. All right, so and one more thing, or one good thing about this platform is the fact that you just need to buy Litecoin. All right, you just need to deposit here with Litecoin, and after depositing and you withdraw, you are going to make a profit immediately. But do not take that for granted, guys. Do not trade more than 2 times in a day on this platform. All right, because that is the maximum you can trade in a day with this platform. So what you just need to do is for you to deposit any amount that you want to deposit and start making your money, which I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to trade right away in your front, in your presence, or live here, and you will see how it works again. All right, to show you that this platform is still working, I am going to trade right now, and you will see that right away, guys. All right, so if you have come to this platform, what you just need to do, as I said in my previous video, is for you to just click on this alimas.com, and you get yourself registered. After registration, click on this particular account here. You can see account here. Click on this drop down, this arrow here. Once you click on the arrow, you will see this. Click on this KYC and follow the process, and do your KYC, because you must be verified before you can trade on this platform. So after doing your KYC, guys, what you just need to do again is for you to come to this particular place here. All right, once you come to this particular trading here, click on this arrow as well. Once you click on this arrow, I am going to explain this exchange and this withdrawal later, but this particular one is where we are going to focus on. We are going to deposit to this platform, which is alimas.com. We are going to deposit here, and once we deposit here, you can see the balance that I have on this platform left with the on the previous what is it called, transaction that I did in the other last time. So this is my balance here, so I'm going to deposit here, and you will see the money here on this particular platform after the network confirmation. So I am clicking on deposit here. Right, once you click on deposit, look at this notice here. Just close it, or you click on this particular close here, or you close it here. I'm going to close it right now. Now they are asking me how much am I depositing, so I'm going to trade with $50. The previous one I traded with $100, but this particular one I'm going to trade with $50. Let's see, $50. Then the coin, Litecoin, then I click proceed. All right, now you are going to see, yeah, look at this interface here. Why you are seeing all these different coins, these are the coins that we saw on the first phase of this platform here. You can see Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Now, why this particular Litecoin has been highlighted is the fact that this is the coin that we are dealing on. All right, so that is the coin that we are going to deposit. So the first thing that you need to do is for you to copy this. You see this amount that you're seeing here. Do not make any mistake of adding charges or anything to it. All right, just copy what you are seeing here, and that is what you are going to use on where you're going to send this funds from. So once you copy this, you copy this particular wallet address, their wallet address that you're going to send your deposit to. All right, so now I'm going to copy this wallet address, then I will head back to Binance. This is my Binance account. All right, this is my Binance account. I don't know the platform that you are using. You can use your own platform, but just be sure to follow my instructions properly and closely. All right, so now this is my Binance, and this is the amount that I have right now on my Binance. So I am going to show you how, if in case if you have USDT, you can convert it to Litecoin. Then you know deposit to your platform here, which is to your alimas.com or platform account. All right, so now I am going to do that with you guys here so that you will see how that works. Then look at it here. I will move this to this place so that I'll be able to see it properly. Now I am going to convert. You see convert here. This is my Binance account. I'm going to click on convert. Once I click on this convert here, guys, then it's going to load up. Just give it a while. Now you can see this particular interface that he brought me to. Then what you just need to do here is for you to come to this place that you are seeing BUSD. You click on the drop down arrow, then you search for LTC. All right, you can see the LTC here. You click on it. Once you click on it, they will now ask you how much do you want to convert. So for my sake, for my own conversion, I'm going to do $50 here. All right, that is 250 USDT. That is what I want to convert. So I am going to click on preview. Then you can see this is how much I am going to get. All right, this is how much I am going to get with 50 USDT. I am going to get this amount of LTC. All right, so now let me refresh and complete this. So I will click convert. You can see this now is successful, guys. All right, it's successful. So you click OK. So once you click OK, you give it a while, or after clicking OK, then you will now go back to your overview interface here. You give it a while, let it load. All right, as you can see right now, we are here on our interface here. So we want to deposit to our alimax.com account here. So now we have changed our USDT to LTC. All right, so what we are going to do right now is for us to click on this withdrawal. All right, you click on this withdrawal. So I'm going to click on this withdrawal here. Then as you can see, I have LTC there already. But if your own is not displaying this LTC, you click on this drop down arrow and select LTC. Then the address that we copied here, which is this particular address, all right, you copy the address, you come back to this place. This is where you're going to paste it. You paste it here. All right, as soon as you paste it there, then the network is LTC, that is Litecoin, that is the network, guys. So as soon as you do that, then you go back to alimas.com, you copy this particular amount here, you go back to your Binance, you paste it here. All right, you see that is the same amount that you're seeing here. You paste it there. So the next thing that you're going to do is for you to do what? You click withdraw here. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to pop up this notification. Cross check this, make sure that this address is correct. So once it's correct, you click continue. Now it's going to send both Binance is going to send a notification, that is a security verification code, to my phone and my email. So I am going to send the code to my phone and also send to my email at the same time. All right, you can do it separately, but just be sure to do all these things this way. So I've received the phone notification, which I am going to type now: 1322988. Then I head over to my email. Then I click on this. I scroll down here. This is the code. I copy. I go back to Binance and paste it. Why they are sending you this, they are trying to verify if you are the one conducting this particular transaction. You can see that withdrawal request submitted. All right, so now what you just need to do, you don't need to do any other thing, just wait patiently for our deposits to reflect here on this particular alimax.com. Then we will conduct the remaining exchange and withdrawal process. So let's wait for it to reflect, then we continue. All right, guys, as you can see right now, guys, you can see the $50 that we deposited on our dashboard here, guys. Right, so as you are seeing it right now, the next thing that we are going to do right now is for us to come to this particular trading. Click on this arrow here. Once you click on this arrow, we are now going to change to exchange this particular this is $54 22 cents, guys. That is, I've made 4 point something dollar on that particular $50 that I deposited from my Binance account here, which all of us witnessed. All right, so now I am going to exchange this whole of this money that you are seeing right here to USDT, and I will withdraw it to any of my USDT wallet address. All right, so you can see that this particular fund is on LTC here. Now you can see this here. This is Litecoin here. You check others, there is no fund on all these ones, but you can see that the particular amount that we deposited and traded with is Litecoin, and you can see the profit that we have made, guys. All right, imagine if you use a better account, or a better probably use 200, 400, $500 to trade, and you trade twice in a day, guys. You have made a lot of money. All right, you have made a lot of money, at least if you are doing it every day by day. And this is a new platform whereby you can be doing this every now and then, but at least twice every day. That is what you'll be doing. You cannot trade more than twice in this on this platform, guys. All right, so, and do not come to this place because you see that this is a new website, and they are processing everything very quick, and you decided to decide to start bombarding this site with uh, with trading. All right, so you decide to start bombarding this site with trades. All right, so what I would advise, and what the website stated clear, is that you trade twice every day. So if you use $1,000 to trade, you can only trade twice in a day. And if you use bigger amount to trade, you will make as much as you can, guys. So just bear that in mind. And also, the minimum deposit here is $50. You know that already, so that is how it is. So I am going to exchange this particular amount that you are seeing here for you to still see that it's working perfectly fine. You can see that this particular $50 we deposited is together, and this is the amount that I've made so far. So now I'm clicking on this. I'm going to exchange 54.22 cents. 54.22 cents. I click on the exchange button. Then this particular place, I am going to select the coin, which is Litecoin, and I'm changing it to USDT. Then this particular column is where I am going to impute the amount that I want to withdraw in Litecoin. Sorry. So 0.756 that is what I want to withdraw, guys. All right, that is what I want to withdraw. So I will click on exchange right now, and you can see that our exchange is successful, guys. All right, so now I am going to this withdrawal. All right, I am going to click on this withdrawal now, so that I will withdraw this fund. All right, so I can withdraw this fund directly to my wallet address. Now I am going to impute how much I want to withdraw here. All right, so The amount that I want to withdraw is 54 point 12 some fractions, so here I am going to pick my wallet address, guys. So I head over to Binance. Then I will now come to this fiat transport. I click there. You allow it to load, guys. Now here we are, guys. All right, this is my USDT, this is my USDT here. So I am going to click on deposit here for me to get my USDT wallet address. So I'm going to click on deposit. Then the network is TRC20, which is this particular one. You select this. Then this is my USDT wallet address here. I copy it. Then I head over back to alimax.com. Then I paste my okay, look at it, it's even here. All right, so that is it, guys. So what I just need to do right now is for me to click on this withdraw button. And before I do that, look at this. You see their charges here. This is the charges here. All right, this is the charges here. You can see $1. All right, that is the fee for the transaction conducted here on the platform. So I am going to click on withdraw now. So if you are getting value from this, you can see that this is successful, guys. All right, so if you are getting value from this particular video, be sure to smash that subscribe button, guys. It's very, very important to the channel. And also, if you want others that are searching on how to get a best or the best new websites that they are going to do their arbitrage business and they have peace of mind, be sure to smash that like button so that YouTube is going to pop this video up to them so that they too will benefit what you are benefiting right now. You can see that our withdrawal was very, very successful, guys. So you come to this place. Let's check our dashboard and see. You can see that, guys. All right, you can see that our withdrawal has been processed. It has left this particular dashboard. There is no money here again. So we are going to give it few minutes, and you will see the same amount in our USDT wallet, guys. So as you can see, look at this here. You said your withdrawal, this is my email address. You say your withdrawal request has been sent. All right, so once it has been processed, you will still receive a notification email that your withdrawal has been processed and it has been sent to your wallet address. So that is how this platform works, guys. And if you also want to, or if you also do not understand what I explained, be sure to chat the admin of this platform up. I'm going to leave their Telegram channel or their Telegram link in the description of this video as well. All right, so I'm also going to leave the link to this website in the description of this particular video that you're watching right now, and also their Telegram channel, guys. I am going to leave the link as well. If you have any question, or if you are experiencing any delay or anything, but I doubt that you cannot experience that, guys. All right, this is a brand new website and it's working perfectly fine. I've conducted this is my second time of using this platform here. It's very, very fast, guys, and you are going to make a reasonable amount of money. So that is how it is, guys. If you love content like this, just as I said earlier on, be sure to smash that like button and also turn on your notification as well, so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, you'll be among the first that is going to receive a notification that I've dropped another powerful content that will help them make a lot of money. So that is how it is, guys. Signing out, auditors. Peace.